Welcome to the infinite game. In this universe, we don't just survive, we architect. Let's learn the rules of the pack. Every builder, connector, and capital starts at the same line. You begin with $1 to $300, small seeds for a massive harvest. Round 1. You draw your card. This is your utility. Jace draws a builder card. Now, he has to pitch the value. You take turns pitching to the pack. You choose your target market. You define the mission. Do they see the vision or just the ghost? Once you pitch, you choose your strategy in secret. High-end or competitive? Aggressive marketing or stealth build? Your choice defines your revenue. The reveal. The highest revenue wins the round and doubles their initial investment. But remember, this is just the beginning. The board is a guide. Stay focused, stay accountable. In the next move, we talk about the power of the split.